So I am a pastor's wife, a book writer, and I work with youth. And working with youth, they always notice everything. So they always were like, "Miss Dawn, what's wrong with your teeth?" So I would always feel really shy about that, and I would always cover up my smile. And sometimes I would have to speak in front of a crowd, and it would be very uncomfortable. I would always worry about it. So the experience with Hearing OG Center, Wesley told us about it, and then we looked online and saw all the videos and the testimonies. Then the actual doctor called us himself, and along with a woman named Jocelyn. And they were very informative, and they made me and my husband feel very comfortable. I absolutely love the outcome. You see it? So I am like crazy excited about it. I can't wait to get back to the States and people will be like, wow, I'm in love with the outcome. Dr. Guzman is amazing. His heart and compassion for his work is like no other dentist I've ever seen, and I've seen a lot of dentists. So I would recommend him 100%, and know that he's going to take very, very good care of you. And his staff as well, they're the same as him, so that's amazing.